I'm Rick Robinson, and this is another installment in our series, The Robinson Twins Present. The Earth is our spherical home planet. People who believe in the flat Earth makes a lot of ridiculous, unsupported statements, and one that we've heard lately is, if you make a linear measurement, the thing you're measuring has to be flat. We'll be debunking that silly notion right now. Let's start off with the flat earthers using the term linear measurement. It's really just another way of saying length or distance. So why they say it that way, I don't know. But let's look at our first example. So here I've got a ruler, and yes, it is flat. But I want to measure the circumference of a tennis ball, which is a sphere. So that's kind of awkward getting this flat ruler to measure this. I could kind of roll it, and that would work, but I could also make it easier on myself and just take a string and wrap it around the tennis ball, mark it off. Okay. Then take my ruler, put this end of the string at the 0 point, and measure it out, and I get 21.5 centimeters. Now, does the fact that I measured this distance, this linear measurement, on a flat ruler mean that this tennis ball is flat? Are you kidding? It's still a sphere. There is another way I could take this measurement to make it even easier on myself. There's such a thing as tape measure. So I can just take this and wrap it around the tennis ball and get the number right off of here. So here we go, 21.5 centimeters, just like I got before. So tape measure, linear measurement, length, distance, however you say it. This is still a sphere, regardless of what I used to measure it with. Okay, let's try another example. I've got a soccer ball, in America soccer and the rest of the world football. And I've got my tape measure wrapped around it already, and I'm getting about 66 centimeters. Linear measurement, is that flat? Nope, it's still a sphere. Okay, how about another example? An American football. Oh, I got a couple of directions I could go with this one, but let's see. This way I'm getting 47 centimeters going that way, but I could also go this way since it's elliptical in shape. This is going to be a little more of a challenge to go that way and then back again. I'm getting 63 centimeters. Okay, so two linear measurements. It's not flat in either direction. How about another number measurement? A linear measurement, I could go this way and get a number here. And okay, now that I'm seeing it, I don't want to say what the number is, but I can well say one thing that flat earthers have. I wish this side was flat. Now that I think about it, I want to go maybe get in a run and do some crunches. Maybe a shower. So I'll be back. Okay, I ran for 2 kilometers. Yes, that is a linear measurement or distance, but and did 10 minutes of calisthenics, including crunches. Now I'm back. Okay, now I need to go measure this off on a ruler that's got the linear measurements, actually length. And we'll see what we get for an answer. We're doing this in inches since this is the imperial system on this car. It's miles. I get 80 inches for circumference. Now let's do a little math with those numbers. All right, doing a little math here. There's 5,280 feet per mile, and there's 12 inches per foot. You multiply those two together, and you get 63,360 inches per mile. Now divide that by the 80 inches of the circumference of my tire, and it means the tire rotates 792 times per mile. But it's still not flat. Unless maybe I hit a nail or something, and then I'll have to change the tire myself or call for roadside assistance. But that didn't happen. So the linear measurement that you see on your odometer with your distance is a direct result of a rotating tire. So it's going around its own circumference. And they say if you change tires, if you change sizes, you need to adjust your odometer so that it matches the circumference of your new tires. Now they've shown that using a linear measurement or length tape measure to measure the circumference of a tennis ball doesn't change the fact that the tennis ball is a sphere. Let's move it up a notch to the circumference of the Earth. Something to look forward to in our next video. If you like this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.